everybody, this is the Crazy Orthodontist, and I have here a Carolina Reaper, supposedly the second hottest pepper in the world. People challenged me to try to see if I can eat it, so let's give it a shot and see how I do. I'm gonna lick it first and just, oh boy, that's spicy. That's, yeah, a little seed. Holy crap, just licking it is hotter than yeah, something that's very hot, like lava, I guess. So I'm gonna bite it now. We'll try to see how this goes. Wish me luck. Not bad. This is really, really hot, but it's not like killing me or anything. I don't know if I should just swallow the rest or, okay, it's starting to get pretty hot. My teeth are burning right now. Holy crap. All right. Oh, it won't go away. All right. Okay. All right. This is fun. My teeth are freaking on fire right now. Literally, my teeth feel like they're burning. All right. And I got ketchup. I can't hardly breathe, dude. That is hotter than freaking crap. And Dumb and Dumber, they did ketchup and mustard. Come on! All right. Oh gosh, dang it, that burned so bad. Look like, That actually really does help. But what? Is it coming out of my nose?
I can't tell.
Oh my gosh, it won't go away. It's still there. It's like still burning, like the thing is still in my mouth. Like somebody put a freaking fire in my mouth. Oh my gosh, it won't go away. Why would anybody eat that? This sucks. This is stupid. Can you get me a napkin? Oh my gosh, I feel like it's coming out of my nose. Okay. All right. The ketchup and the mustard not really helping. I need something. Is there like a coffee creamer or something in there? Can you get me something? But I'm laughing. It's real funny. It's really, really funny, isn't it?
Make sure they're not expired.
I don't care. I don't care. What is that?
Vanilla.
Like, that's gonna help.
Do you have any milk?
This sucks.
Look at the bottom of your stomach down there. Ew, watch it be chunky.
Oh, it's like curdled. Oh my gosh.
I tried telling you.
You got another one?
Yum yum. Yum yum sauce.
Yum yum sauce? What do you want me to?
Wait, what's that cold brew down there? Yeah, I tried telling you there's cold brew down there.
It's called.
I need something.
There's a
Whatever that is. Whatever that is.
Expired. Make sure it's not expired.
I need something. Come on here. Help. I don't care. This burns like freaking lava. Oh my gosh. This sucks.
You want to
Why would anybody eat this?
Get the salami.
Why would somebody want this? Like, oh, this is cool. Let's have a freaking piece of lava in our mouth.
Is this anybody? Just give it to him.
Ew, why is he still with here?
I don't care.
That's
If I curdle it. Well, I'll get another napkin. I want to cut my tongue out.
Do you want me to run across the street and get you some like actual milk?
No. No.
You sure?
I thought just the sliver was.
That's Carl.
Yeah, my lips hurt.
No, shut
I swear. I put a protein shake right beside you.
Who did it?
I know. No, I said just no, just
The expiration date on that.
2025.
Oh, well, good.
Yeah, you're good.
I'm taking it. I didn't even swallow it, dude.
The curdled milk should be over.
Yeah, that was bad for me.
Is my creamer curdled? Dude,
Curdled.
this.
Whatever this is curdled. November 2024. It shouldn't be bad, but it is.
Did you eat the whole thing?
I didn't even swallow it, dude. I just chewed it up for like, what was that, like 15 seconds? It wasn't even bad when it was in my mouth, but I spit it out. It's like it kept getting worse after I spit it out.
On the sideline over here, I'm like stressing.
I'm not, seriously. If you want to know what it's like to like make love to a volcano, like that's what it's like. It won't go away. How long does it take for it to go away? You eat the pepper. I mean, you're gonna eat the pepper. I'm supposed to eat the pepper, right? It wasn't that bad whenever I licked it, but
When you said that, it made me think of
oh my God.
The Rock whenever he's like the Buffin Rebel.
the what?
The Boston Rebel.
You know what I'm talking about?
Experience the heat.
It's a little better. It's getting a little better, but holy frick! So I'll give somebody $100 to get a spoonful of that and eat it.
That's out of your mouth.
500, right?
Well, I'm doing this for free, and this is miserable. This sucks.
500.
Yeah, make it 500. I'll do it.
Basically said, honestly, give me a voice. 500.
Why do you grow these? Like, that ought to be like illegal. You got like a freaking bomb in your backyard that's like gonna kill somebody. Would that not like kill somebody? Would that hurt somebody if they got some like a heart condition or something?
Some people die from the chip challenge.
What's the chip challenge?
It's like concentrates and stuff. That's just
If that was in my eyes, I might literally get a spoon and like gouge my eyes out.
the second hottest.
Oh my gosh. I'm crying, dude. That sucks. That sucks so bad. I know. I am having a bad day. Yeah, I am. Like, it's awful.
Wait, his
It is awful. Like, it won't go away. I mean, maybe a baby bit, but we're going from 2.2 million Scoville to like 1.5 million. That's still a lot of Scoville. Oh, it's on my teeth. My teeth and my gums hurt now. Gosh, dang it, this is stupid. I want cuss words on my forehead right now because that's what I feel like. Jeez, oh Pete, I already took a shower. Is there any more milk? Mind over matter. All right, we're gonna take some deep breaths. Mind over matter. All right, this is gonna do it. I really think I'm okay. I'm good. I'm gonna leave this in my mouth. I'm good.
Okay, we're done.